this door is currently painted in old oil-based paint, and it's probably been on there a long time. So all I've done is literally give this the quickest light sand, just a denib. It was in pretty good condition already, but I just want to make sure it's nice and smooth. And I am spending a little bit more time on these doors just because these are at eye level, and it's the thing that people are going to keep on going in and out and spend time looking at. Whereas skirting boards, I'm not spending so much time because, like I keep saying, it's an only 8 out of 10 grade job. But where I think it's going to be important, like here, this is going to be about a 9 or a 10. And these doors are already in really good condition because the previous man did a super duper job. He's even painted the top. I looked, and he's even painted the top of the door frame. The door, I mean. So yeah, so on here, I'm going to be using Zinsser 123 Plus because it will etch itself on there. Do a super duper job. Save me plenty of time and not having to rub down excessively. Because if I just put on normal undercoat, I would have to rub down an awful lot more than that to get a key to allow the new water-based eggshells to stick on there and actually stay on there. And if you don't do it properly, you can just scrape it like that and peel it off in sheets, and it's terrible. But Zinsser will literally etch itself on there. So literally, I will just go around like this and paint the whole door. And this will be the base coat between the old oil-based system and the new water-based system. And it will provide a fabulous surface for the water-based eggshell to adhere to. So that's all I'm going to do, and that's really quick by comparison. If I had to rub that excessively, it takes more time just to get a key when this paint is getting the key for me. This is doing all the hard work. All I have to do is paint it on. Saves me so much time. So, get Zinsser in your kettle and off you go.